what is the purpose of this training? Let me elaborate you. We are working since long with JPAL, particularly on ETS. And as a organization, capacity building of the all stakeholders is one of the motive of carrying out this project. And that's why you are here today, the capacity building of all of you.
Every time I attend a workshop that has been organized by JPAL, it's really very insightful, I would say. The discussions, whatever we learned at the workshop at Surat and this are completely different. So they try to bring upon myriad new aspects of this cap and trade mechanism.
कल ETS का जो भी ट्रेनिंग मैंने अटेंड किया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा एंड मेरे लिए सच में एक न्यू टॉपिक है. सो मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसे भी कुछ चीज़ें एग्जिस्ट करती है. ETS ऐसे भी ट्रेड हो रहे हैं और जैसे स्टॉक मार्केट की तरह अब पोल्यूशन में भी कोई आप ट्रेड कर सकता है. सो रियली बहुत ही इनोवेटिव है. तो मुझे जानकर बहुत अच्छा लगा.
When we are participating in a workshop, many different things came to me which was very new. For example, the randomized experiments, and then the concept of market-based intervention. Then we also hear a couple of varieties of questions from all other participants. So altogether, it was a very enriching experience, I must say.